How to see who sent angel messages on Instagram. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to see who sent angel messages on Instagram. To start this tutorial, make sure you already posted your question of ngl.link in your story. In here, you will see that there is a link. You can open it this time. In here, you will see the inbox. And then there's an option that says, who sent these? This is an anonymous confession. But in here, we want to see. So, to do this, you will need to unlock NGL Pro. It's 1,400 per week. On my country, it could be different in yours as well. You will see the sender info if you subscribe to that one. In here, you can do so once again by putting this in your story so people could respond. Add a caption as well to make it more enticing. Once you are satisfied, you can now add it to your story. Once you click on your story, you will see the confession link over there. You can even leave a response by adding it to your story once again. In here, in the close friends, you can see that only Tammy was able to see this. So it's kinda obvious that she was the only one who could see it and the only one who commented as well. This is another option. If you only put the NGL link to close friends, then you can pinpoint as to who might have answered your link. Sweet friends, they always tell you the truth, and it's the best. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you get some value in this one. And as always, leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And leave a comment as well.